In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in DuckDuckGo. If DuckDuckGo is currently displaying content in a language you don't understand, there's no need to worry. The search engine includes language settings that allow you to switch the interface to your preferred language in just a few moments. Even if the current language is unfamiliar, you can still navigate to the correct settings and make the change without much difficulty. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish. To begin, open DuckDuckGo in your web browser. Once the page is loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. This button is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu and provides access to additional options and settings. Click the menu icon to open the available menu items. After the menu appears, look for the gear-shaped icon, which is typically used to represent settings. Select the Settings option to open the customization area for DuckDuckGo. Once you're inside the Settings section, continue looking for the option labeled Appearance and Language. This area contains settings related to how DuckDuckGo is displayed, including the language used throughout the interface. Click on Appearance and Language to proceed. After opening this section, scroll down through the available options until you locate the Language setting. This is where you can choose which language DuckDuckGo should use when displaying menus, options, and other interface elements. When you find the language option, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to it. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal the list of available languages. The list may contain a wide variety of language choices, allowing you to select the one that is most comfortable and familiar for you. Browse through the available options and choose your preferred language from the list. Once selected, the interface will be updated to reflect your choice. This makes navigating DuckDuckGo much easier, especially if the previous language was difficult for you to understand. Changing the language can improve your overall browsing experience by making settings, menus, and search-related options easier to read and use. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a significant difference in how comfortable and efficient your browsing experience feels. And that's all there is to it. By opening the menu, accessing the settings area, navigating to Appearance and Language, and selecting your preferred language from the drop-down menu, you can quickly change the language used in DuckDuckGo. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.